Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is About That Mama Life. And on my channel we do things like DIY, beauty, recipes, all kinds of mama life content. So if that's something that interests you, then think about subscribing. Today we are doing a DIY eyelash extension. Now this was my first time doing this and I am by no means a pro at eyelashes. I mean, I am a beginner. So if I can do this, you can do this. It was easy. There's a little bit of a learning curve, just like any kind of eyelashes. It takes a little bit of time to get used to what you're doing. But I was able to get these eyelash extensions. So if you are interested in seeing how I got these, then just keep watching. So what you will need, I use this Ardell individual lash starter kit. It comes with the lash tight glue and the remover and the individual lashes and some little tweezers. So this was like $7.50 I think on Amazon. It's a really great package. However, I decided I wanted a little more drama in my lashes, so I went with these. They're long and wispy and just really, really pretty. And I'll link everything that I purchased below if you want to pick these up. But they have really good reviews and they're really pretty. And I like that they're not stuck on with that sticky glue that you have to try to peel off first. They're just kind of have a little bit of that on the middle of the lash, almost like velcroed on there, and they were very easy to take off. So I just grabbed tweezers at the very end and lifted them off. I'd lift about 6 off at a time. Then they say to put the glue on some foil, which didn't really work for me. What I ended up doing was dipping the lash directly into the glue and then just kind of tapping it off on the foil and then placing it down. So I will show you how I achieve this look, and you can kind of come with me on this journey. But essentially, you'll take the lash with a pair of tweezers, you'll dip it in the glue, tap it off on the foil so there's not too much, place it on your lash line, not touching the skin of your eyelash, just at the very base of your lash line on your actual eyelashes. What you're doing is you're gluing the lash to your actual lash, and it's going to stay on there. What I did was place it where I wanted, fan it for a second, let it dry, put another one, same thing, let it dry, and then go back to the first one and kind of cinch it down with the tweezers. So let me show you how I did this. Okay. We're going to grab an individual lash, we're going to dip it in the glue, and then we're going to place it on the lashes as close to the lash line without actually getting onto the lid. One lash down, many to go. So these come on like a little Velcro strip. I'm just taking the very bottom knot and just slowly taking them off with the lashes, with the tweezers. Then I'm going to move the tweezers to the opposite end and grab the lash. It wasn't coming out of the bottle well, so I'm just going to dip it right straight into the glue. And just kind of dabbing off the excess glue on that piece of foil and placing this one right next to the other. And then kind of cinching it down with the tweezers till I get it in the right spot. All right. I'm probably just going to fast forward this as you see me do those same steps over and over and over. Okay, and that was it. I'm very, very happy with it. Everything that I've watched and read has said that this will last up to about 3 weeks. It's very, very comfortable. It feels very light and natural. It doesn't feel like wearing strip lashes because it's really not sitting on my eyelid. It's more of just on the base of my lashes, sitting on top of them. So I'm really happy with how it came out. I have nothing but some brows and some lip gloss on, and I feel pretty. I feel good, and I think that this will be a really fun way to just wake up, feel pretty already, not have to do a whole lot of makeup if I don't feel like it, or if I do, maybe I will. And by all means, this is just one row. You could stack them up. Some people do fill them in so they're even more bold. You can go with some different eyelashes if you want something really long and curly. So really just do you and make it unique to what you like. So please comment down below and let me know what you thought. If you try this, how it came out, if you have any tips and tricks. And really, if you like this video, please just give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of really fun videos. And if you like this video, check out my video on the Ardell magnetic lashes, just the accent. It's also great for beginners if you don't want to commit to permanent lashes. Well, semi-permanent lashes, let's be real. You can just snap on some magnet lashes and they're very, very easy. So you can find that video here and you can subscribe to my channel here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Mwah. Stay beautiful.